Let's learn how you can transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android. So this tutorial is really simple. You will have few methods to try if this one doesn't work. So first we are going to open WhatsApp because we want to transfer WhatsApp chats. Now when you're on WhatsApp, just click on settings, click on chats, and here you will see two options: move chats to Android and transfer chats to iPhone. If you are on iPhone, you can just click and scan QR code, but we are not doing that. We want to transfer it to Android. So when you're open here, you will have to connect with the cable, sadly. When you do that, click on start and it will prepare chats. At the end of preparing, it will say that action started on Android, and Android device will let you know when you can pull out the cable from iOS. So we can wait here just to show you the next step. You can see here continue on your new phone. You can continue setting up your Android phone. When you're done, open WhatsApp to restore your chat history and media. Now, if you don't have this option or you can't transfer chats like this, you will have to open App Store and just type in iOS to Android. And here you will have few applications that can transfer your data from your iPhone to some new Android device. I would recommend you to download officially brand applications like this Android Switch from Google or Samsung Smart Switch Mobile. That way you'll be sure you don't download some scam things and you will get what you want. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.